What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan? And today is, like I said, Fatboy Tuesday, Operation 160 pounds. Right now, I'm still stuck at 207. And my excuses are, I was just having a fun time this weekend. I went to the beach Friday. And you know, when you go to the beach, you get the junk food and the chips and the fake meats for the sandwiches and stuff like that. A lot of peanut butter, because when I go to other people's houses, they really got nothing to eat. And most people always got peanut butter, so I fuck up their peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. But other than that, it's 207. I'm still feeling good. Tomorrow, going on a 6-mile hike. And then doing another hour of cardio at night. And push-ups tomorrow. And then my goal is, once I get to 195 is when I'll start hitting the gym and hitting weights and stuff like that. But I like I like doing the walks. I like doing the push-ups. I go in nature and do the walks and stuff like that, but I'm still fat. So Operation 160 coming soon. I'm feeling great. What I've been up to, just selling all my sneakers. If you watch my minimalist episodes that be coming out every other day, every couple of days. Right now I'm selling all my shoes, all my sneakers. Like right now, let me show you the boxes. I got 2 boxes ready to go tomorrow. And I'm excited because I don't need this shit, man. It just there laying around. The material's cracking and stuff like that. And I can sell them to people who would enjoy it more than me at this point in my life. The older I get, like I said, I'm feeling more running shoes, but I'm just getting rid of everything. In the next couple of weeks, Operation get rid of all my books. Reason why I'm getting rid of all my books, I pay $50 a month for storage and $50 a month just to hold my books. I'm getting rid of them, sending them to Amazon, let them take care of it. Just send me my check and I'm good. If any book that I do like, I might just save like one container of books that the most important books that I like. So look at this. All those books are about to be gone. And that's not even 20% of my books. And so far out of that stack, I'm just keeping these right here. The reason why I'm keeping this one, a friend sent it to me, so I'm not gonna get rid of that. That one I haven't read, that's why. The Anatomy of Hatha Yoga is great. Freedom from the Knowing. I really want to get more into his material. Think and Grow Rich and The Power of Your Mind. And those 2 books. And also Mucusless Diet Healing System. So I want to keep that as a good resource to have. And then the rest, I'm just going to start doing digital copies and stuff like that. But like I said, I am going to get rid of my books. So I'll let you know the process. I'm buying the shipping information, the stickers, the scale, because when you send it to Amazon, I think you're only allowed to send 40 pounds at a time. So that's going over there. Everything's going great. Everything's going exciting. And I can't wait until you see this room all empty and shit. So thank you very much. Peace.